Guys, and welcome back to another video. So this is the analysis for the Dow Jones, and I think this will be the first trade after I made the previous video. So the first entry we'll be looking at, it will be the Dow Jones entry, the US30, commonly known as US30. So looking at the market from the daily time frame, you can see that we are in the uptrend here, right? So in my previous, like the one I did before the other one, previous video, I talked about US30, and at the time I could remember the price was around here, right? So I'm going to put a link of that video here so you can rewatch that video. So the price was here around that time. It was around this area. So I was expecting the price to come to this area, to this trend line, and then I'll wait for the reaction to buy up. So but as you can see now, the price has moved to the trend line and it's has reacted, but there was a lot going on in this area, in this trend line area, when the reaction was made. All right, so if we zoom in a little bit, because this is the daily time frame. All right, we're going to zoom in into this area. You can see that the price broke this trend, yeah, slightly made a spike here and quickly recovered sharply. So when I saw this breakout, I was like, okay, let's chill and see if the price is actually breaking down. But fundamentally, that was not what I was expecting. Fundamentally, news, I'm not even relating to that. So I knew the price was still going to go bullish, and I knew I just had to wait for the confirmation. So let's move a little back to the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, so in the 4-hour time frame, you could see the spike that happened here, that little breakout that happened here, and how the price quickly recovered. And now that we'll be looking into entry, and while I've been making my entry here. So the first thing I'd love to say is the price ranged a little bit here. So so if you check this area here, you see that market created a structure here where the price was bouncing off this, and below here as well, which this candle actually broke. And I waited for this structure to get broken, because if the structure should get rejected here and still come back here, we have not made the full confirmation yet. So I waited for the price to break through this area, and then I was still expecting retest. But as I saw this little bearish candle in the 4-hour time frame, and now we're having this bullish candle, I knew that, yeah, I think that's a sign for continuation. And my target is really straightforward. So firstly, I love to indicate that here is a other place where I expected a rejection, all right? But when the price rejected and it's making this kind of a candle, creating candles like this in the 4-hour time frame, you know, I knew that, okay, I think the price is breaking through this place and we are moving on. So using the volume indicator as well. Okay. So you can see that the volume is indicated that there's a little bit of volume here. So this is why I'm, you know, thinking, okay, the price is breaking here. And as you can see right now, if we zoom in into the US30, you can see that the price is breaking this area, and then we are moving forward right there. Moving forward, moving forward. So, all right, so my entry point is here, and that's why I make this video. So I'll be making my entry yeah, which is going to be bullish entry. All right. And my stops will be below the previous candle, which is here. All right. So I'm going to put my stop loss below it, just about a few keys below it. Yeah. My next target, which will be my TP1, will be here, because this is where I think there's another order block here, right? And my TP2, where I'll be looking to close the trade finally. My potential target will be around this area. Yeah. So my forecast is that market is going to move from here. I've input the trade right now, right? So you can also move your entry. So from here to this extent, the coordinates will be sent to all channels, so don't worry about it. I'm also sharing it at the free channel, so don't worry about it. So the US30, this is my prediction. This is what I'm entry. This is my entry. Long entry from 34906 to 3544 to I'll be closing partial profits or taking a decent amount of profit in 35107.1. This is New York opening, and so guys, let's get into it. Let's get this. All right. Thank you. I will be sharing now another pair. The next analysis will be Nasdaq, so stay tuned. All right, and this is a 4-hour time frame trade. All right, this is a swing trade. This is not something the intraday trade. So this is my last today to tomorrow. All right. So, but your first target should be 3.35104.1. Then we can hope for 3.5, 3.533.2. If you move to the 1-hour time frame, you're going to see that this is a long-term trade. This is a long-term. Yeah. So this is a. So as you can see, the volume indicator indicating this. So. All right, guys, let's get it. Don't waste any more time. All right.